Today's highlights. Haydenshapes Surfboard Factory Destroyed in Fire. Italo Ferreira and Billabong Split after 7 years. Inside Africa's most terrifying big wave break. A fire broke out the Haydenshapes Surfboards factory in Mona Vale, the quiet suburb outside of Sydney, New South Wales, Australia.
Haydenshapes is the name of the business. They have a showroom and a factory there. We understand they've got a lot of flammable chemicals inside.
The facility was destroyed besides 18 fire trucks storming the scene to fight the blaze. One person was taken to the hospital in a non-critical condition.
This business was started by locals who grew up on the northern beaches, came up with a design to make surfboards that world-leading surfers have described as the Ferrari of surfboards.
Find out more at surfer.com.
Closing one chapter of my professional life. I'd like to thank Billabong for being part of my story. It's been years of a partnership that began in 2016. But as everything in life has a beginning, a middle, and an end, this cycle ends for others to begin. Thanks to all the team who were part of this project.
Find out more at stabmag.com. Turn and Go takes you into the lineup and peels back the layers on this mythical surf spot, set against highlight sessions from 2023. Along the way we get some candid insight into the world champ's drive to keep charging the biggest waves on the planet.
Where you kind of take off on that outside ledge that just chips you in, and you come off the bottom and you pull into the barrel. And we see those waves all the time when you're out there, but the risk is extreme.
Watch the full clip at youtube.com/NowNowTV.